In this video, we'll be talking about a storm that is going to be popping up from the west and moving into the central side of the United States and moving into the east side of the United States. Some models will say correctly, some will be not correctly. So let's get started with the video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. This is Mr. Weatherman Forecast. Uh, if you like the video, please hit a like and subscribe to the channel. Also share if you want to so we can reach as many people as we want. Um, Also, if you like the content, just again, like and subscribe to the channel, just like I always say. Well, not always say because it's my first time using the audio. So let's get started with the video. As you can see, where we have the satellite imagery as or true color we have some clouds that are forming on the upper west side of the United States. Well, some of them are covering it up, so we can get started with it. We'll get started with the other one, or maybe another one that is I clearly use, the National Weather Service. So here we are with the National Weather Service. We have some winter weather advisories. Some you have winter storm warnings, and some you have red flags, some fire weather watch, some special weather, some marine weather statements, and even more. So you guys see the whole entire thing going crazy. Everything is going crazy right now. So let's move on with the other one I clearly use, the, the forecast models for this one. So let's first show off with the other model, which I clearly use, uh, the NAM 3 kilometer model, which I use it all the time in the video. So here we are. So here we are with the NAM 3 kilometer model. We'll turn this thing on. So right here in the minute, it appears in the west side of the United States, upper west side, then moving into the upper north central side of the United States, then moving in the east side of the United States, upper east side of the United States, then going into Canada, and then later more rain will appear on the upper east side that will formate. And don't you worry, guys. Next time on tomorrow morning, I'll upload a video where it starts. I'll show you the warnings, the watches, and the advisories. So don't worry, I will be there. And whatever happens, just comment down below if you want to request a video for today or for tonight. So let's get started with that one. So let's get ready. Let's get ready for the storm and everything else. So yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to take cover immediately. So if the snow is super hard, get your milk and bread, prepare for that storm, lock and heat your house. Heat your house, lock it up, and you're fine. So let's go on with the other model, the snow model, which I usually call the total model. So with the snowfall, we'll show you right here. We have some snow, and well, not quite yet, but later we'll have some. So the first snow should appear around the west side around 4 p.m. and then moving later, it should go into the east side and then upper or north central side, and then moving into the east side. These you guys will expect it to have these. Give me a minute. I just got to put it forward. So yeah, you guys get some snow for the. So I'm going to tell you guys the states. You get some snow for somewhere in the upper east of California, some on Nevada, some on Oregon, some on Idaho, some on Montana. The whole covered parts are for Wyoming, um, some for Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota and North Dakota, Minnesota, and some in Wisconsin. So all of you guys are covered up with snow in the future, which should happen around on Monday, which is around 1 a.m. So you guys are gonna get some type of um snow. Some you'll have rain, some will have ice. So we'll go on with the ice and the freezing rain. So here we are with the ice model, or ice accumulation as you want to say. We have some ice that is formating on the portions of the on the upper northeast of Montana, some for the upper east of Wyoming, um, some for the South Dakota, some for North Dakota, some you'll have some for Minnesota and Wisconsin, and some for Michigan. So look out when you guys drive. Please be careful because ice can be slippery, and I don't want you guys being in an accident. So let's get started. So be prepared if you want to go somewhere outside. Get everything you got. Get your emergency kit, get your food, water, a power battery radio so you can listen updates or possible statements from the National Weather Service. I strongly recommend to buy you those stuff. Or I mean not buy you, but you got to buy it if you're gonna go somewhere else, like visiting your family or visiting in a different state, like whatever it is. So I want you guys to be safe. So on the NOAA, on the Storm Prediction Center, we have a slight risk of severe weather, and for Saturday, so I'm gonna rate this. Some severe thunderstorms should occur Saturday afternoon and early evening over Iowa, parts of surrounding states. Also, you guys are expected to have large hail, damaging winds, and some few tornadoes. Well, not possible, but it will possibly appear. So if we're gonna get some additional, we'll get additional day 2 on the outlook. So here's the here's the day 2 storm prediction centers. So right here, you got a slight risk of severe weather, which I'll tell you the states and the counties from here. For Marshall, you have you'll have Kansas City, Lincoln, Madison, Aurora, Overland Park, and a slight risk, or well, no, not slight risk, but you guys get slight. Omaha, Des Moines, or Moines. I'm sorry to pronounce it. You get Cedar Rapids, Denverport, and Rochester. So these are the counties and states that you guys are gonna get. So you guys will get some storms, some tornadoes, some winds, some hail. So with the tornado, you have a 5% chance from. So let's go with the lower one. You get from 2% chance, Kansas City, Madison, Aurora, Overland Park, Rockford, and for the 5% chance, you get Omaha, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, Rochester, and Waterloo. And those are the places you're about to expect. And the hail or wind, sorry to say it, you get 15% chance of damaging winds. So be on a lookout for that thing. And if they issued a watch, remember, a watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail, damaging winds, and excessive, whatever it is. It depends. So for the winds on Kansas City, Lincoln, Madison, Aurora, and Overland Park, for the 15% chance, you get Omaha, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, Denverport, and Rochester. And with the hail, let's see what it is, same percent chance. So you also get a 5% chance, Kansas City, Lincoln, Madison, Overpark, Rockford, and 15% chance Omaha, Des Moines, Cedar Rapids, Denverport, and Rochester. Sorry to say it, but you guys will get that. So be on the lookout for that thing. Um, let's go on with this one. The ice, the total freezing rain. Now let's keep going. We do have some freezing rain for the portions of for the mid for the mid east of Minnesota, and for the upper west, the northwest of Wisconsin, and some you'll get on Michigan. I'm gonna put it forward as we go further. You'll get some you'll get in Michigan. Some you'll get in Some will get in Pennsylvania on the Upper East Side of Pennsylvania, some on New York, some on Vermont, some on New Hampshire, and some for Maine. For Maine. Sorry to say it. So be on the lookout for those kind of stuff that you have. So please be careful with those kind of stuff. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you want to give a request. Comment down below as I told you from the beginning. So thank you for watching and God bless you guys.